If you want a perfectly maintained lawn, the best mower blade sharpener is a must-have. It quickly sharpens blades for smooth, clean cuts, boosting your mower's performance and extending blade life. Get ready for a healthier, greener yard. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Sharp Pebble Mower Blade Sharpener. The Sharp Pebble Mower Blade Sharpener sets itself apart with its innovative adjustable angle guide, ranging from 20 degrees to 40 degrees, making it incredibly versatile for a variety of sharpening needs. Whether you're working on standard lawn mower blades, multi-tool blades, or other gardening tools, this feature allows for precise customization to ensure a perfect, consistent edge every time. Unlike traditional sharpeners that require you to remove the blade for maintenance, this cordless, rechargeable unit is designed for on-the-spot sharpening, eliminating the hassle of disassembling and reinstalling blades. This not only saves time, but also keeps you mowing without unnecessary interruptions. The sharpening wheels are engineered for high performance, delivering razor-sharp results with minimal effort. They ensure efficiency while maintaining the blade's durability, giving you a cleaner, more even cut that promotes healthier grass growth. Safety is another highlight, with an ergonomic grip that fits comfortably in your hand, allowing for greater control during the sharpening process. The multiple variable speeds make it suitable for different blade types and conditions, and when paired with a lawn mower blade sharpening jig, you can achieve professional-level precision with ease. This tool is not just about convenience, it's also a cost saver. By restoring your existing mower blades instead of replacing them, you extend their life, improve cutting efficiency, and reduce waste. Ideal for lawn care enthusiasts, this sharpener makes an excellent gift for gardeners or anyone serious about maintaining their lawn in top condition. It's important to note that it's not compatible with zero-turn mower blades, as it's specifically optimized for standard models. Number 2. SporGain 15 to 45 degrees Mower Blade Sharpener. The SporGain 15 to 45 degrees Mower Blade Sharpener is a comprehensive blade maintenance solution designed for both sharpening and balancing, making it an all-in-one care kit for your lawn mower. This package includes the lawn mower blade sharpener and a precision blade balancer, ensuring your blades are not only sharp but also perfectly aligned for optimal performance. Crafted from thick, durable metal and equipped with ball bearings, this sharpener is built for longevity and consistent results. Its enlarged 25mm diameter handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, while the fine adjustment range of 15 to 45 degrees gives you complete control over the sharpening angle, making it compatible with a wide variety of blade types. The included blade balancer stands out with its hidden magnetic design and advanced finishing, ensuring accurate balance that reduces vibration and prevents unnecessary wear on your mower's engine. What makes this kit even more appealing is its ease of use. The sharpener arrives ready to work with a straightforward setup process, while the balancer's stepless adjustment mechanism requires no specialized knowledge, ideal for beginners and professionals alike. By keeping your blades sharp and balanced, you can achieve cleaner cuts, reduce mowing time, and extend the lifespan of your mower. The tools are compatible with most blade models, so there's no need for additional adapters or equipment. Number 3. SporGain Mower Blade Sharpener. The SporGain Mower Blade Sharpener is another premium offering from SporGain, designed to provide both sharpening and balancing in one convenient kit. Included in the package are a durable lawn mower blade sharpener and a zinc alloy blade balancer, giving you the tools to not only sharpen your blades, but also keep them perfectly balanced for smoother operation. This attention to balance is crucial, as it minimizes vibrations and engine strain, resulting in a more comfortable mowing experience and extending the life of your mower. The sharpener itself is built from high-density aluminum alloy for exceptional durability and precision. It features precisely fitted bushings to reduce wobble during operation, improving sharpening accuracy. To ensure compatibility, the sharpener comes with 4 different guide pins, making it suitable for most grinders and blade types. The balancer, crafted from zinc alloy, offers enhanced durability and precision over standard models. Using it after sharpening ensures that your blades remain in optimal condition, delivering clean, even cuts every time. The SporGain Mower Blade Sharpener is designed to be user-friendly, requiring minimal setup and no specialized knowledge, making it accessible for beginners yet reliable enough for professionals. This kit is compatible with a wide range of mower blades, so you won't need multiple tools for different equipment. Customer service is another strong point, with SporGain offering dependable after-sales support to resolve any issues quickly. This product is ideal for anyone who values precision, quality, and convenience in their lawn care routine. Number 4. Kimgsoak Mower Blade Sharpener. The Kimgsoak Mower Blade Sharpener is built for those who want professional-level blade maintenance right at home. Designed to restore old mower blades to a razor-sharp edge, it allows you to achieve clean, precise cuts instead of tearing the grass, resulting in a healthier lawn. Constructed from high-density aluminum alloy, this sharpener offers exceptional strength and durability, while the precisely fitted bushings reduce wobble for greater sharpening accuracy. The kit includes 4 different guide pins, ensuring compatibility with most grinders on the market. One of its standout features is the adjustable angle range from 15 to 45 degrees, making it suitable for various blade types and conditions. The sharpener accommodates blades with widths between 1.69 foot and 3.54, a maximum thickness of 0.28, and lengths up to 30, giving it excellent versatility. Kimgsoak also includes a premium zinc alloy balancer, which, when used after sharpening, helps keep blades properly balanced. Balanced blades mean reduced vibration, less engine wear, and smoother mowing overall. Ease of use is a priority, with a straightforward setup process that lets you start sharpening in just minutes without specialized tools or skills. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. By restoring rather than replacing blades, you'll save money, reduce waste, and improve your mower's efficiency. Number 5. LAMBIS Mower Blade Sharpener. The LAMBIS Mower Blade Sharpener is a versatile 2-in-1 tool designed for both sharpening and balancing, making it an essential addition to any lawn care toolkit. Built for precision, it offers 7 adjustable angles ranging from 15 to 45 degrees, allowing you to match the sharpening angle perfectly to your blade type. This ensures optimal sharpness and consistent results with every use. The magnetic wall-mount blade balancing cone is another highlight, capable of accurately measuring blade balance to reduce vibration and extend the life of your mower's bearings. Balanced blades improve mowing performance, resulting in cleaner cuts and a healthier lawn. The sharpener's design prioritizes ease of use, allowing even beginners to achieve professional-level sharpening without specialized training. Its magnetic balancer makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the adjustable angles provide flexibility for various mower models and conditions. The LAMBIS sharpener is also compatible with replacement parts for popular balancer models, such as 5005A 339075B and 42-047, adding to its versatility. By sharpening and balancing your blades regularly with this tool, you'll enhance your mower's efficiency, save money on replacements, and enjoy smoother mowing sessions. This kit is ideal for homeowners and lawn care professionals who want a dependable, durable, and easy-to-use sharpening system that delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.